I have some Whirlpool refrigerator complaints.
Many people have complaints about the Whirlpool refrigerator.
I know. It's sad, isn't it?
Some of them are priced well, but there are a number of problems with these units.
What are some of the things you have heard about?
Many have claimed that the water and the ice dispenser have never worked properly, even with calls to the manufacturer.
Wow, that is not good.
Another common complaint is that the plastic and the trim on the drawers separate as you are pulling the drawers out.
Again, not nice. I am beginning to wonder about this whole purchase.
They have some great prices on a purchase, but caveat emptor, may the buyer beware.
It sounds like it. I am glad you said what it meant. I thought you were swearing at me in Latin for a minute. I almost afraid to ask, but what other complaints have you heard about the Whirlpool refrigerator?
Well, not to burst your bubble, or be the bearer of bad tidings, but apparently there are issues with cracks and openings on the interior walls.
That really sucks. Why can't Whirlpool make a quality product?
Nothing seems to be made like it was before.
Is that the end of the bad news?
I am afraid not. Another top complaint about Whirlpool refrigerators is the fact that apparently, the vegetable bins are cheaply made and crack after a few months.
I think I may want to consider another brand of refrigerator.
In my humble opinion, you would be wise to do so. There seem to be a number of problems and complaints with Whirlpool refrigerators.
I am glad you are an appliance guru. You have really helped me out a lot.